Hello guys, welcome back to the channel DTD Forex. So in today we're going to be trading on the US30 market, and I'm going to see how I'll be able to make profit from this market. If I'm able to make profit from this market, then it's a good thing, right? And also I'm going to share with you guys some analysis you'll be able to use to trade this market successfully. So let's get on with it. All right, okay, what I'm seeing right here, what I'm seeing right now is the market is if I take a look at this point right here, we can see that the market is going towards the upward trend, right? The market has gotten to the oversold, so the next step right now, I'm seeing that it's going towards the upward trend. So what I will do right now is to observe this market, but first I'm going to go over to the 1 hour time frame. All right, the 1 hour time frame, let me remove this object line so that I can see the 1 hour time frame. What I'm looking at here on the 1 hour time frame, take a look, the market is at the oversold. So this basically means that the market is going towards the upward trend, right? So since the market is going towards the upward trend, I'm going to look for an opportunity to place a buy, because I'm seeing that the market have sold down to this point, then it should buy, right? Yeah, the market should buy at that very point. So what I'll do right now is to go over to this point and I'm going to place a buy. I'm going to place a buy, then I'm going to observe. All right, so I just place a buy right now, close the market and take that profit. So I just capped that market right now. I just got $3 profit from that point in time in this market. You can see with that just simple analysis that I just gave you guys, I'm seeing that this market is going to the upward trend. You can see that this is the place that I bought the market, and you can see where the price is. Boom, just like that, the market have gotten towards. You can see how fast, if I had remained in the market right now, I would have made a whole lot of profit on this market, right? The market has bought. This market is going towards the upward trend. It's going to retest a little bit before it will buy again. So what I'll do right now is go over to the 1 hour time frame and see. All right, now this market will buy. It's a buy market. The market is going to buy. All right, although it might retest a little bit before it will buy again. So what I'm going to do right now is to go over to the indicator session. I'm going to put on the RSI, which is the relative strength index, put that on period 14. You can see right now the parameters on level, the level is going to be 90 and level of 10, the style on 1 pixels. Then I'm going to click on done right there. All right, so the market is going to buy, but it's going to retest for a little bit because the market has gotten to this point in time, so it should go towards the upward trend. I'm going to put on the moving average. I'll put on the moving average right here of period 200, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The style, I put that on 3 pixels right there. All right, so just a quick look at this point right now. We can see that this is the point where I took the second buy. So I took the second buy at this point in time, but I know that this market is going to buy towards the upward trend. So I'm so confident on what I'm doing right here, that this market is going towards the upward trend for a buy on this US30 market. So I don't need to be scared on this market, because I know that this market basically it buys and sell. You can see how the red and the blue line are blinking very fast. So basically this is how this market works. It's not like all those other type of indices that we normally trade, right? So this is a different type of market entirely at this point in time. So this market is going towards the upward trend. You can see that even at this point right here where it retested, you can see when it sold right here, it retests upward, it sold again. Now it's going upwards, just as you can see right now. This market is going to make me another profit right now. All right, you can see the market is going towards the upward trend position right now. At this point in time, I'm going to make a little bit of profit right there on that market. So on other than that, I'm going to put on the MACD indicator, as you can see right now, using that said parameters on this market, using the fast EMA 14. I put that on 14 with a slow EMA 24, MACD SMA 10. Just you can look at the parameter that I'm using right now to trade this market. Okay, if you take a look at this point, this is why I know that this market is going towards the upward trend, is because take a look right here. The market sold for a very long period of time and it needs to buy a little bit. You can see that it bought, it broke out at this point. It's going to buy. The market is going to buy. That's the point I'm seeing right here. Okay, market should buy at that point in time. So while we're waiting for that profit, I'm going to observe and do some other analysis right here and see what move I'm going to take on this market, right? All right, now we can see that this market is giving us a big boost right here for a buy on a bullish pattern, and you know, if it passed below my order block right there, I think I'm going to close the trade and, you know, take that profit from that point in time. So I'm going to look closely and see if it's going to pass that, you know, that entry. All right, we made another profit right there. I just made another profit of about 1.50, you know, cent. So the previous market I made about $3 from that point in time, and right now I just made another profit of about 1.50 cents. So if you add, you know, those numbers together, that's going to be about, I think that's going to be about up to $5, because I think the first profit was about 3 point something cent, right? So basically this is going to be about 4 point something cent as well. So I just made $4 profit from this market in time, showing you guys, you know, this simple proper analysis. You can see basically what I'm doing in this market right now is basically that I'm scalping this market, taking advantage of small price movement from this market. But if you have, you know, a big account in this type of trading, you know, in your account, if you have a bigger account like, you know, $500, $1,000 account, $2,000 account, you can hold this market for a very long period of time and be able to make profit from this market as well. All right, now I'm glad that I exited at that very point in time. You can see that this market have gone towards a very long sell entry at that very point in time. But other than that, I think that the 1 hour time frame, it began to sell. Let me check something right here. Take a look at this point in time. You can see that at this very point, when the MACD started going towards the downward trend, the market's good went below for a bearish candle, and I think that I'm seeing the same scenario right here. Take a look towards the downward trend of the MACD. So this basically means that this market should sell. All right, this market should sell. This market is going to sell. Yeah, it's going to sell for, you know, a certain amount of time. But basically the main point here is that this market is going towards the upward trend. But remember that this does not mean that if the market is going towards the upward trend, the market won't sell. The market would sell. It won't just go straight up. It will not just go upwards just like that. No, it's going to sell and buy, sell and buy, sell and buy, just like that, showing you that same pattern. All right, so right now we're looking at a downward trend at this point in time, and every time the MACD faced towards the downward trend right here, we can see that it went for a sell, right? It went for a sell until it got to the level of 10 before it retested again for a buy. So if we are looking for another buy, we need to wait until the market starts to retest upwards. So basically the MACD lines need to create multiple lines from that point in time. All right, going back to the 1 minute time frame. All right, now we're seeing that the moving average right here is showing us that it's going towards the downward trend. So you can see how tricky this market can be, showing you an upward trend and also a downward trend at the same time. All right, you can see that sometimes the market might just change, you know, and go against you. Even when you think that this market is going to go in my favor, sometimes this market, you know, can just switch and go against you, you know, the opposite direction. So basically I made about almost over $4 up to $5. Basically it's almost up to $5 from this market. I just cap and took a little. I wish I had stayed in this market. I would have been in a very big loss, because if you take a look at this point right here, this was the first point whereby I bought the market and I exited at this point, right? And I got about 3 point something cent from this point in time, and I bought the market here as well, and the market sold up to this point, then it retested for a buy, and I got about 1.50 cent from that point, and I exited at this point, knowing fully that this market is going towards the downward trend, and we can see the market have sold up to this point in time. And just a few moments ago, the market started to retest upwards, as we can see right now at this point in time. Remember that I told you guys at the beginning of this video, you know, I said this market is going towards the upward trend, that is going for a buy, because the market right here has gotten into the oversold, and it's gotten at this point right now, it need to go over to the overbought as well, and we can see a retest. We can see that a return in the trend line of the price, right? If I zoom into the market right now, you can see that even after the market sold up to this point, they started to buy again. So basically, what does this mean? First of all, let me go over to the 1 hour time frame and observe. All right, now you can see the thing is that the market on the 1 hour time frame have sold for a very long period of time, so this market need to retest upwards. So if you have bought the market at this point in time and the market sold up to this point, you can see that the market right now have started to go back in your favor, so you'll be able to make back those losses that you have made in that trade entry. All right, so this market is going to buy up to the overbought level. All right, I'm going to end this video right here. So if you found value in what I've said to you guys, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more some trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.